Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is MNREGA attendance in news. The Rural Development Ministry is now considering providing a text confirmation of attendance to MNREGA workers at the end of each work day or the end of one work schedule. The move comes after a widespread outcry that in the absence of a physical muster rolls, now replaced by a mobile app, workers have no way of confirming their attendance, significantly digitally capturing the attendance of workers employed under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, that is MGREGS, was made universal by the Centre from January 1st, 2023. The Union government started a pilot project to capture attendance via a mobile application, the National Mobile Monitoring System. From May 16, 2022, capturing attendance via the app was made compulsory for all work sites with 20 or more workers. This required uploading 2 time-stamped and geotagged photographs of the workers. There were widespread complaints over the lack of technical support, the necessity to own a smartphone, paying for an internet connection, and issues with erratic internet connectivity. The Indian Parliament passed the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, that is MNREGA, on 23rd August 2005. It came into force on February 2, 2006 in 200 backward districts. It aims to provide at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in a financial year to every rural household whose adult members volunteer to do unskilled manual work.